A living trust is a legal tool that helps you manage your assets while you are alive and distribute them after you pass away. Think of a trust as a container for your property that manages how your assets are handled by a person you choose. When you set up a revocable living trust, you maintain full control over your assets as the trustee during your lifetime. The process involves moving your assets into the trust, which ensures they follow your specific instructions without needing court intervention. Unlike a will, which only takes effect after death and goes through public probate, a trust can bypass court processes entirely. Probate can be expensive and time-consuming. A trust often costs more to set up initially, but saves significant fees and time later. Many people choose to work with an estate attorney to ensure their documents meet state-specific requirements and individual goals. Understanding your estate options is a great step toward securing your family's future. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more basics.